Okay, so what we're doing here is we're just going over what it takes to actually do the process of painting on glass, or as it can almost also be called is painting with light. The portion on here that we're seeing, I should have started this earlier. This here is just a piece of glass. This is the paper and behind it. This is what we're working on at the mold of. And what I've done, I should have taken a picture of this beforehand to show that this is just a plain piece of glass, and we've actually taken this, which is our paint. It's really hard to see actually, but you can see it all in through here. It's fairly dry now, and what I will be doing, come on, focus for me here. Might not want to focus. Anyways, what we do is we scrape away what we don't want, leaving behind what we do. That's what I'm doing on here. I'm going to be taking these sections here and I'm going to scrape them away. This is going to be video number 1. This is just a preliminary. This one's already been done. Cleaned up the lines a little bit. See how these are all a little bit thicker in through here. I'll tighten those down, clean up that line around there. Same with down here. Some thickness in here and here. This is a toothpick. This is tedious work. There's also, we will also be using different things like brushes, like this. We'll be using that in the matting process. And on the other end of the brushes is another sharpened piece of wood. And again, scraping there. So, that's part 1. I'm going to go with part 2. Once I get this cleaned up, I'll show you what it looks like. And then I'll fire it. Every time these are set to go, they'll go into the kiln, they'll get fired, so it bakes on that paint on the glass and it fuses on. And then we bring it back in here, clean up any of the lines that we need to clean up by putting more paint on, and then we will go back at her. So the next one will be, this will all be cleaned up, heated, fused, and I'll be doing a cleanup on the project. Or I will flip it over and I'll draw the lines on the other side because it is white glass, so you'd want to pretty much have it on both sides. I might do that, I might not. It all depends on what I want to do with it. Anyways, that's part 1.